Mwihoko wa githomo gucokereria university-ini cia muingi uthiete na mbere na gukundera. Riri thirikari na ciama cia arutani a university ici mathiete na mbere na guikaniria miario igie muigana wa mbeca iria ciama ici iretia. Akiaria ri Nairobi, mwandiki mukaru wa githomo Beatrice Inyangala augite mugomo uyu ni mugaru na watho na arutani aria matari kirathi ni mekwirwo ikinya ria kiwatho.
They need to know that that strike is illegal and the lecturers should be in class teaching. And so lecturers know that this strike has been indicted. They should be in class teaching. And those who have not gone back to class need to go back.
No nacio ciama cia arutani cia UASU na KUSU makinyiriirie murugamo wao wa kuuga matire na mubango wa gucoka kirathi, thirikari itamarihite ciringi bilioni 7.9.
We know the figure, we have the evidence, and we are backed by a court judgment. Let them run around, but they will still arrive at 7.9 billion.
Marauga thirikari na arutani anene ama university mare na mubango wa kuiya mbeca cia arutani.
The problem is that the government is trying to steal from employees of public universities. It is stealing their money, led by none other than the Salaries and Remuneration Commission, together with the vice chancellors.
Ciama ici cigereire murigo uyu kuri commission ya guthurima mishara ya aruti a wira a thirikari ya SRC kuona neo iratara thirikari uria gutabatie.
It is SRC that is misleading the government on this matter. University education was established in this country way back in 1970s, and there is a way that universities have always paid their staff salaries. There is no way that now SRC will come and in one stroke wants to change that particular position of how these institutions have been paying.
Na kuona riria ndego igire irarwa nyeki nio ikoragwo hatika-ini, riu arutwo a university cia muingi mathiete na mbere na guikara mucii, kihonia kia mugomo uyu gitari kironekana.
7.9 billion.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Francis Garuya.